Okay, in this question, let's look at what we have. So 9 3x plus 1 minus 5 9 to the 3x equals to 108. Okay, so how do we go about doing this? So here you must observe that I have a number multiplied by another number, okay, and on the left hand side here I have 9 3x and I have a plus 1 here. Okay, so what does the plus 1 indicate? So if I recall my indices rule, I can say that am multiplied by an is equals to am plus n. Correct? So applying the rule, that means a common base can be split into two separate terms, okay, with the two powers that are here. Okay, so applying that rule here, this first term can actually be rewritten as 9 to the 3x multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 minus 5 9 3x equals to 108. Now, so let me write the 9 in front so that it looks quite similar. So I have 9 to the 3x minus 5 9 to the 3x equals to 108. Okay, so 9 to the 3x is just a common term. So if I bring it out here, okay, what I have is 9 minus 5, correct? And what is the next step? The next step is to say is 9 3x multiplied by 4 is equals to 108. Okay, and if I bring the 4 over, so 9 3x is now equals to 108 by 4, which is 27. Okay, once I come to this step, it is quite clear that this is a base power 3 and this is also a base power 3. So 3 squared to the power of 3x is equals to 3 cubed, which is 27. Okay, so 3 to the power of 6x is equals to 3 to the power of 3. And so since both the bases are the same, we can say that the powers are the same. So 6x equals to 3 implies that x is equals to 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2. Okay, that is your final answer. Thank you.